Welcome back to my channel. We are officially in work from home, and one of the most common questions that people like to ask me is, what exactly is my home setup look like? So I'm going to give you a quick tour of the different items that I use to work productively from home. So here we go. So the star of the setup is really my fully 60-inch by 30-inch standing desk. It's fully programmable, and also it can supposedly hold up to 350 pounds. Are you ready?
Ready.
Cam, where are you going? Say hi. The other items I have on my desk is my 16-inch MacBook Pro, and this is the laptop that I use to edit all of my YouTube videos. I keep this kind of to the left while I'm working so I can answer my text messages as well as WhatsApp messages, so then I don't have to actually pull out my cell phone to do anything actually. The laptop is 2.3 gigahertz, 8 cores, i9, 32 gigabytes of RAM, 1 terabyte of SSD, and 8 gigabytes of video memory. Next to that is my 38-inch ultra sharp monitor. As you can see here, this monitor is large enough to actually have 3 things open side by side. I have Excel, my web browser, and Microsoft Word. This monitor comes with 9-watt speakers, which are decent, not the best, but it gets the job done. And the last thing I would say is it has quite a lot of ports, so I will discuss that a little bit later. My keyboard of choice is the Logitech Ergo K860. And this is a keyboard that actually comes with a wrist guard to make your wrists feel better, and it's also kind of in that split key configuration, which is supposed to be really good for typing in the long run. So the batteries last 2 years, so I don't think I'll have any problems with it running out of battery anytime soon. To the right is the Logitech MX Master 3. Now this mouse right here is probably the best productivity mouse that you can buy, period. I don't think I need to go into too much details about it, but if you're looking for a mouse that can do it all, this is really the mouse you want to get. To the right is my work laptop. It's just a Dell laptop, so I'm not going to go into too much explanations about it. And I have my Jabra headset that I use to kind of use for all my Skype calls and conference calls as well. Now the best part about the setup is that all of these things use a USB-C. So right now my monitor is hooked up for work purposes, and when I'm ready to get off work, I just really unplug this one USB-C cable, plug it into my Mac laptop. On this keyboard, I have it configured for the Mac to be number 2. I have the mouse here configured to use my Mac for number 2 as well. And just like that, I am surfing on my Mac laptop. Just like that. I've switched my configuration from my work laptop to my personal laptop, and I can use it to watch movies as well as play new video games. The other things on my desk are, I found my switch, I dusted that off, so I figured during this quarantine period, the Switch might come in handy. And along with that is really the Pro Nintendo Switch controller, which I just downloaded a new game and I started playing with it a little bit. But I'm not sure if I'll be doing this more going forward or not. And the last couple items on my desk are this Contigo water bottle or coffee mug. It's 24 ounces, so I filled it up in the morning and it pretty much lasts me the entire day. The chair I'm using is a Secret Lab Titan 2002 chair. It was actually pretty highly rated, but I find it just okay for how much I spent on it. It's a large chair for men up to 6'7" and 290 pounds. I think the last thing I have is really these Alex drawers, or Alex drawer, which I use to hide kind of all of my junk that I have. So I think that's it for this review. If you have any questions on the setup, please let me know. I'll also link everything I have on my desk setup here in the links below in case you're interested in getting some of the stuff for yourself. And on that note, stay safe and I'll see you in the next video.